Canceling transactions on Western Union online is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To cancel website or mobile app initiated money transfers, log into your Western Union profile through wu.com or your mobile app. Once you log in, we will show you your recent money transfer activity. Select the transfer that you want to cancel and then choose Show Details. If your money transfer is eligible for online cancellation, you will see a Cancel Transfer link. Open the link and follow the instructions to cancel your money transfer. In case you do not see the Cancel Transfer link and your transfer hasn't been picked up or deposited, please contact customer care to assist you with the cancellation procedure. To cancel in-person initiated money transfers, please visit the same agent location where you made your transfer, or any branch of the same agent. Remember to bring your government-issued ID to the agent location. You can also contact customer care to cancel your transfer. To cancel telephone US to US money transfers, please contact customer care to assist you with the cancellation procedure. The amount of money refunded, or principal and/or fees, depends on the service chosen and the reason for cancellation. If you have questions regarding the amount to be refunded, please contact customer service. Refunds are provided in the original form of payment. It may take up to 7 business days for the financial institution to credit the money to the sender.